Hello students, in last class we have discussed about singular and non-singular matrix and also inverse of a matrix. In today's class let us discuss about inverse of a matrix problems. Example 1, let matrix A equals 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1 minus 4 and matrix B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Then verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So now let matrix A equals 2, 3, 1 minus 4 and matrix B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Find AB 2 3 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Therefore AB is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 3 minus 4 plus 9 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 12. Therefore AB is equal to minus 1 plus 5 plus 5 minus 14. So AB product of AB. Then find a determinant of AB. Determinant of 1 5 5 minus 14. Therefore determinant of AB equals 14 minus 25. Therefore determinant of AB equals minus 11 is not equal to 0. Therefore AB inverse exists. The next find adjoint AB. AB is minus 1 5 5 minus 14. Adjoint AB becomes minus 14 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1. So adjoint AB. Then AB inverse is equal to adjoint AB dividing by determinant of AB. Therefore AB inverse is equal to 1 divided by or minus 1 divided by 11 into adjoint AB minus 14 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1. So called as equation number 1, AB inverse. The next, find B inverse into A inverse. Let A is 2, 3, 1 minus 4. Find determinant of A equals determinant of 2, 3, 1 minus 4. Therefore, determinant of A equals minus 8 minus 3. Determinant of A equals minus 11 is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. The next find adjoint A. Adjoint A is minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. So adjoint A. The next find A inverse is equal to adjoint A dividing by determinant of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by 11 minus 11 or minus 1 by 11 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. So A inverse. The next matrix B is 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Find determinant of B. Determinant of 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Therefore, determinant of B equals 3 minus 2. Therefore, determinant of B equals 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, B inverse exists. Therefore, adjoint B is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 1. So therefore, B inverse is equal to adjoint B dividing by determinant of B. Therefore, B inverse is equal to 1 by 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. The next find B inverse into A inverse. B inverse 1 by 1 into 3, 2, 1, 1 into A inverse minus 1 by 11. It is minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. So therefore, B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 11 matrix 3, 2, 1, 1 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Therefore, B inverse into A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 11 minus 12 minus 2 minus 9 plus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 plus 2. Therefore, B inverse into A equal to minus 1 by 11 minus 14 minus 5 gain minus 5 minus 1. So call it as equation number 2 from equation 1 and 2. So we get AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, hence verified. The next example. If matrix A is equal to 1 3 3. Matrix A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Then verify that A into adjoint A into adjoint A equals determinant of A into I. Also find A inverse. So 3 cross 3 matrix. So let A equals 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. So write determinant of A, or find adjoint A, that is equal to cofactors of, or find cofactors A11 take sign place 4 4s are 16 minus 9 is equal to plus 7. A12 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A13 plus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. A21 4 3s take sign minus 4 3s are 12 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. A22 is equal to 1 4s are 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. A23 3 minus 3 equal to 0. A31 plus 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. A32 sign minus 3 minus 3 gets cancellation 0. A33 plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now adjoint A is equal to, so first row elements, right, first column 7 minus 1 gain minus 1. Second row elements, right, in second column minus 3 1 0. Third row gain minus 3 0, 1. So adjoint A. The next find A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. A elements 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Adjoint A 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Therefore, A into adjoint A equals 1 7 7 minus 3 again minus 3 minus 3 plus 3 0 minus 3 0 plus 3 7 minus 4 minus 3 plus 4 0 minus 3 0 3 ones are 3 7 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 0 minus 3 plus 0 plus 4. Therefore, A into adjoint A equals 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So call it as equation number 1. The next find determinant of A. Determinant of A equals 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Expand this determinant. 1 4 16 minus 9 minus 3 4 minus 3 plus 3 3 minus 4, it is equal to 1 into 7 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 1. Determinant of A equal to 1. The next find determinant of A into I. Determinant of A is 1. I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Therefore, determinant of A into I is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So called as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A into adjoint A equals determinant of A into I, hence verified. And also find A inverse. So A inverse formula, adjoint A by determinant of A. Adjoint A dividing by determinant of A. Therefore, determinant of A value is 1 into adjoint A. Adjoint A is 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 plus 1. So A inverse. The next example, example 3, if A equals matrix A equals 3 1 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Hence find A inverse. So first prove this. A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. These type of problems already discussed in matrices. Hence find A inverse. Let A equals 3 1 minus 1 2. Then A square is equal to A into A. Therefore A square is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. Therefore A square is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 1 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4. Therefore A square is equal to 8 5 minus 5 3. So A square. Then consider this equation. A square minus 5A plus 7I equals 0. You know A square 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5 into A. A is 3 1 minus 1 2. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5 minus 5. 5 2s are 10. The next plus 7 into high is 1 0 identity matrix 7 0 0 7. So therefore a square minus 5a plus 7 high equals 8 minus 15 plus 7, that is cancellation 0. 5 minus 5 0, minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 0, 3 minus 10, 3 plus 7 plus 10 minus 10 gets cancellation 0. So therefore a square minus 5a plus 7 high equal to 0. Hence it is proved. And hence find A inverse. And hence find A inverse. So using that equation, or consider a square minus 5a plus 7 high equal to 0. Equal to 0. Then I am multiplying A inverse on both sides. A inverse into a square minus 5a plus 7 high equals 0 into a inverse, that is 0, or 0 into a inverse. A inverse into a square minus 5 a into a inverse plus 7 high into a inverse is equal to 0. So A inverse into A square can be written as A inverse into A into A. Here A inverse into A by grouping minus 5 into A inverse plus 7 I into A inverse 7 A inverse is equal to 0. A inverse into A, that is equal to high into A minus 5 into high plus 7 A inverse is equal to 0. High into A, that is A minus 5 into high plus 7 A inverse is equal to 0. Therefore 7A inverse is equal to minus 5i, right hand side goes to right hand side, plus 5i minus a. Therefore 7A inverse is equal to 5 into identity matrix 1 0 5 0 0 5 minus A matrix elements 3 1 minus 1 2. Therefore 7A inverse is equal to 5 minus 3 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus into minus plus 1 5 minus 2 3. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 7. 7 goes to right hand side denominator 1 by 7 into matrix 2 minus 1 1 3. So A inverse. So without adjoint A and determinant of A, so consider this equation multiplying by A inverse on both sides and simplify this. So we get A inverse. The next example, the next example, if A equals matrix 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, verify that AQ or show that AQ minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equal to 0, and hence find A inverse, and hence find A inverse. Now so let A equals 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Find A square, A into A. Therefore A square is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Therefore A square is equal to 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 plus 1, 4 plus 1 plus 1 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. The next second row, first column, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 6 plus 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 becomes minus 5, 2 plus 1 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 1 plus 1 plus 4 6. So A square. The next find AQ, A square into A. Therefore A square is equal to 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. So therefore A cube equals 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 5 22, minus 6 minus 10 minus 16 minus 16 minus 5 minus 21. The next 6 5 11, 11 plus 10 21, minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 minus 5 minus 21, plus 5 plus 17 22, minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 minus 10 minus 21, 10 5 15 plus 6 21, minus 5 minus 10 minus 15 minus 21, 5 plus 5 12 plus 22. So a cube. Now using a square and a cube, now consider a cube minus 6 a square plus 9a minus 4i equals a cube, you know, 22 minus 21 plus 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21 minus 21, sorry, plus 21 minus 21, 22, minus 6 into a square, 6 6 are 36 minus 30 plus 30 minus 30, 36, so minus 30 plus 30 minus 30, 6 6 are 36 plus 9a. So 9a. So 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18 minus 9 plus 9, minus 9, 18 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 18, plus, sorry, minus 4 high, 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4, 22 minus 36 plus 18, 22 30 40 minus 4, that is 0. So therefore a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equals 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So therefore a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to 0. Hence it is verified. The next, a square. The next, consider a square. The next, find A inverse. A inverse. The next, consider equation a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to 0. Multiplying by a inverse on both sides, a inverse into a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal 0. A inverse into a square minus 6a into a inverse into a square plus 9a inverse into a minus 4i into a inverse is equal to 0. A inverse into a square minus 6i into a plus 9i minus 4 a inverse is equal to 0. So therefore I into a square minus 6i into a 6a plus 9i minus 4a inverse is equal to 0. Therefore 4a inverse is equal to a square minus 6a plus 9i. Therefore 4a inverse is equal to a square 6 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 6 into a 6 2s are 12 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 12 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 12 plus 9i. 9i is the identity matrix plus 9i means 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. Therefore 4 into a inverse is equal to 6 minus 12 9 plus 6 15 minus 12 3 minus 5 plus 6 so 1 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 5 plus 6 1 6 minus 12 9 plus 6 15 3 minus 5 plus 6 1 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 5 plus 6 plus 1 6 minus 12 plus 9 3. Therefore a inverse is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 3 1 minus 1 1 3 plus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 3. So a inverse. Okay, stop students. So we'll continue in next class.